gentle ladies, let us all welcome with a big round of applause our Miss Pinay 2025, Queen Jasmine Labramonte Macalian. Let us give her a round of applause.
Ay, pagkapit, kaya lang. Hinay.
Queen Jasmine is the daughter of Mr. Jamie Macalian and Mrs. Merna Labramonte Macalian. She was born on October 28, 2009 rather. She is now 15 years old and a grade 10 student at Sumuloy Agro Industrial School. To become a flight attendant someday. And she believes in the saying, believe in yourself, for you are braver than you think, smarter than you know, and stronger than you imagine. Jasmine will be escorted by her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jamie Macalian and Mrs. Merna Labramonte Macalian.